Hello guys, hey love. So today is my birthday and I'm so excited. I'm here with my sister Tracy. And oh my gosh, you're looking so pretty. My hair is a total mess. It's like actually raining outside, so it's pretty gloomy. This is my birthday cake. Whenever I see cake, I can't wait. I just have to like have it. The view is so nice. Came here so we could click a lot of pictures and have fun, but it's raining. And now we're gonna order something. Love how pretty this place is. It's so nice. Wanted to come here since like really long, but didn't have time. So today I skipped classes to come to this place. And there was like only one class today, and it's like the first day of the semester. So I thought there wouldn't be much study. There would just be introductions and all. So I didn't want to focus today. I'm here. I also want to go out and take pictures. When is it gonna stop raining? Only blurry eyes. Oh, it was so clear. Oh my god. Oh shit. I was filming it like. So I'm like literally in love with the seniors. I'm just gonna go out and I'm just gonna click many videos of surrounding and we're gonna click some pictures. Let's go. Is it still raining? It's still raining. Oh no. Still, I'm gonna go. So this is like the place. Oh my gosh. This is the stadium. Okay, like, let's just see the stadium. I've never been there though. I do wanna go there sometime. Okay, so we're gonna go and click some pictures, then we'll be back when the food arrives. Bye! Oh, we gotta run, it's raining! I just literally got soaked in rain. Tell me this is not biased. This cup is so small and look at Tracy's. It's so big. This is so biased. It was on the same price and same menu. It's like milkshake. This is so biased. Okay, I'm so done. How's it? Change our seatings right now because it's raining so hard and just splashed a little on our plate. I think I like this place better. It's raining so hard. Okay, so I just got permission from Tracy to click our video. Okay, finally I got the perfect angle.
Like that, us.
Now we're gonna go to washroom, mandatory trip. I'm gonna check out the other mirrors. Here's a really big mirror over here. I think I don't like the lighting so much over here, but it's fine. Can't wear heels because you guys know I had an ankle problem, so I'm wearing flats. This is how we are digging in the cake with our spoons. It's almost... I didn't thought we could finish this, but I think we will. It's so tasty. It's really good. There's a match going on, football match in the stadium I showed you guys, and every guy over here, including my dad, is very curious about what's happening there. But all the people trying to watch it. Should I also run and go and watch? Okay, I'll show you guys. Just met this beautiful kitten over here. Hi, cutie. Do you wanna? I'm leaving. I don't wanna disturb it. कस्तो भइरहेछ कहाँबाट देखिन्छ Because my dress is a bit short, Tracy wants me to put this pillow. I'm being an obedient little sister. So is Tracy. Tracy's also putting. So Tracy's giving me dirty looks. I know. I want to show you guys how she's staring at me, but she'll literally kick my ass if I do that. So I think we're gonna go now. Bye. I literally love the venue, the view and everything. So I just want to stay a bit longer. But we have to go. So I'm gonna go. Bye. I'm not wearing any heels. But still my leg hurts like shh. She's coming to show her pretty legs. I don't like you. So I wanted to show you guys the chocolate I bought on the way home. Chocolate one is Tracy's favorite chocolate. And I have bought the other ones to give them to my best friends RC and Roshni. I also stocked on CeraVe. and some body lotions. Winter is coming soon, so stay moisturized is an absolute must. Okay, also look at these stunning heels. I've been wanting some comfortable black heels and my friends gifted these to me yesterday. I'm so happy. Thank you, RC and Roshni. I love you guys. By the way, this one is Tracy's old heels and this one is mine. Gosh, they are both so pretty. As I was editing this video to put it up, I got some PR, so I wanted to show it to you guys before I ended the video. I wasn't asked to post about it or anything, but I just wanted to because they were actually super nice in the message, and I'm big on skincare products, so I'm definitely excited to try them out. And if you guys want to check them out, I'll link their social media in the description below. Thank you, KPHD Herbals. See you guys soon.